how to design any creative from starting, or we can use the template as well. It totally depends on us. If you want to use our own template, of if you want to use the template of Canva, we can use it here. So I will show you here how we are going to apply here. So we are going to back to the template again. So I will just create here one template here. Just I will click on the LinkedIn banner, or I will click on Facebook cover page. So Facebook cover page, basically what it says this one. I will show you Facebook cover page. So you might have seen lots of Facebook pages here, and you might be aware of the Facebook page cover. So this Facebook page covers are visible on the top of the page here. I will show you here. So this is a basically Facebook cover. So this is the size. What size do we need to draw? We don't know. So in Canva, it is very easy for us. Just click on template and click on Facebook cover. Here you can see the Facebook cover, and here you will be able to see lot of design here. So you can see the samples size are already created here. So just we simply click on that, and we can click on edit text. Example, I will just click here on this one, happy 2021 to all. So if we are going to edit this page in template, or we can simply click on this section, it will show a pop-up window will come here, and it is showing use this template. So simply click on this, use this template. So we can see here, this is the layout of the Canva. Again, it is showing. So this is the design which was pre-used here. So whenever we are going to use any template, it is very easy for us to maintain our things. We can just simply use it here. So I will click here, and if you want to edit this section, happy 2021, if you want to edit this section, you can simply click on edit. Simply double click here, and you can simply find out, we can just change the happy 2021. If you want to make for 2022, simply click here and make it 22. So in this way we can change the, we are able to change the color of this section, this part, this text part color can be also changed here. It is very easy for us to change the color. If you want to select change to some different color, select the all the text which is in the box in the center of the size. Here you will see a here written on the top side of the menu, a text color. Simply click on that part. If you want to make it black, click on black section and change, and see the changes are done here. So this is the benefit of using template. You don't want to, if you don't want to use your time, if you don't want to give more time on designing part, simply select the predefined template, and it is easy to go and ready to go. If you want to something, if you want to add some text in the, over the same image, it can be also done. In the left side, I will show you some functions. Here is the here are the elements: text part, music part, video part, background part, folders and all. So if you want to add some text here, simply click on this text section. Whenever you click on text section, it will show you some like this, add a heading, add a subheading, add little bit of body text. It, what does it mean? Add a heading. If you want, if you are going to put some headings on the top of the banner, you can click on add heading. So it was very easy. I will click here on the add heading, and I will use this add heading option. Simply click on that part, and you will see one text has came to this section in the center. Simply click on that bottom line and drag to the position wherever you want to display. So you can click here, add a heading. So you can just click here. If suppose I'm going to write here SOIIM wishes WSIW wishes you. So it's overlapping over the background design. So if you want to put it down, simply click here and press enter. It will come down, and you can see here SOIM wishes you happy 2022 all. So this is, I'm making for advance for the next year. So if you want, you can change here again. Simply click on 2022 to 21, change the year. So like this way you can create any design, any simple design, any complex design. It totally depends on you how attractive you want to make your design. Here are same few recently used images which I have been using quite long. So simply click on huge sale. If you want to click on huge sale, double click or single click, do here. It will come on the section of this one and the Canva here. So you can click and drag like this. So it's a very easy to design any graphics if you want to make it here. So it is very much helpful while using social media. So I think hopefully you have already understood how we are going to use this template here. So in the next lesson, I will show you how to design any image from starting from a white background, how we will draw there. So please watch my next lesson. You will see there how we are going to make our own design by using your custom logo, by uploading your own picture. Even you can upload your own picture and make a good design here.